Allow me to introduce you to my friend Dave's daughter.
It's really nice to meet you. I'm Melissa Shield.
This makes more sense now. Nothing. Hi, it's really nice to meet you. I'm a first-year student at UA High School, Izuku Midoriya.
In the hero course? So that's how you know Uncle
Go!
Mike.
Go!
I'm a student.
He'll be a great pro one
God.
day.
I can't believe I'm meeting someone that Uncle Mike teaches. He must have...
I love that song. I love that song too. I went and listened to it after I watched the episode. It's not the song I would play at a birthday party. No. Probably not. But I love that song. People are gonna sneak off from this party and they're gonna have some cake in the warehouse. The warehouse is the sneak site, clearly. And I mean, isn't Angela uncomfortable being in that room with all those other people, including her fiance? She doesn't have any guilt about it. I guess not. She has no problem sleeping at night. We've established that. That's true. Stanley is in the room. And I often eat too much of it and I get a stomachache. Because, you know, they give you a tiny piece and I'll eat them because they're just so good. Well, that's what happens with you. You're always like, Ange, look how cute, it's so tiny. I know. And then you're like, Ange, I have a stomachache. I know. Dwight, Holly, Michael, and Ronnie.
Do you want to be on Dashcam time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video description. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information about your incident, and then submit. It's really that easy.